Part Frontal. This wig is brought to you by UNice. They were kind enough to send me this video to review for you guys. So if you guys like it, make sure that you go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Inside the bag just came with a bunch of goodies. This is a water wave jerry curl pattern. The wig did not come like this, so if you guys would like to see me do the wig, or if you would like to see how I install this wig, go ahead and keep on watching. I will be talking the whole way, so let's go ahead and get started. So at first I wanted to try and do the ball cap method, but I got frustrated and I was like, forget the ball cap method. So we're going solo without the ball cap method. I went ahead and plucked out used some of my foundation to, you know, get the lace to match my skin. However, this is not an HD lace wig. I would describe this lace to be like a light brown Swiss lace. It does blend in with my skin, but it's not seamless. So you could get away with it with baby hairs and, you know. As far as the construction, it is only a middle part. So I guess it's making it easier for people. You don't have to really worry about the sides. You can just literally worry about this part right here. And I did not bleach the knots of this wig. I just went in with my foundation and rubbed it all along the lace into my head, put it on, cut as closely to the lace as possible because that's how you get a seamless install. You do not want any extra lace showing. Now my scissors were kitchen scissors, so I couldn't get that close to the lace. I'm installing with the Ghost Bond. Yes, with the Ghost Bond glue, which you can find at your local beauty supply store, which retails for about $22. Very expensive. But again, you don't have to use it. You could use got to be spray or got to be gel, whatever floats your boat. I did not do as many layers as you would normally do because I don't plan to keep this wig on very long. So make sure you do your install how you want to do your install, okay? I'm just showing you guys how I would install and style this hair. Okay, you guys, so now that we're looking all the way wiggy, I'm just going to show you guys what I would do to make this look less wiggy. Being that this isn't a true frontal, I'm just going to, you know, I can't even explain. Just keep on watching.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and everything.
Guys, my camera died, so you guys didn't get to see what I did after hot combing. Basically, all I did was add a little bit more hairspray to the lace and the top of my hair so that it lays down flat, and just put the scarf on so that the lace and everything can just really melt together and lay as flat as possible. But it's been some time, so now I'm just going to take the scarf off, and this is what we're left with. We're looking crazy right now, but just keep on watching, okay? I'm really a fan of light colored wigs without a dark root, but I don't know, it's coming on camera way darker than it is in person. In person it's really a light brown, but on camera it looks like a dark brown. But let's go ahead and fix this wig up and get your baby hairs out. You can do your baby hairs, it's up to you, however you want to. Now the sides do have a little bit of the track showing. If you pull too much of the hair out, they give you a little bit of space to work with, but not too much. And again, you don't even have to do baby hairs if you don't want to, because like I said, this is a T-part wig. The scarf goes back on. Actually, before we put the scarf on, I'm gonna go ahead and part the hair, so that we can work on the part. Now, as far as the roots, I don't like blonde roots for some reason on me. I feel like it just doesn't do anything. So I did go ahead and go in with like a black thing that I found at the local beauty supply store and just rub it on there. You can literally use mascara if you don't have that, or hair dye if you have the time. But I do think I like it a little better with the dark roots. I don't know. This is the last step. I got bored waiting for it to dry, so I went ahead and I put some mousse in there. And now I feel like I'm gonna cut it because I feel like just this length is so random. So cute. I feel like it looks more healthy. This is the next day. I like the hair with a less finished look. Like, I like this look where it's not as polished or finished or pushed back. And I think that if you're gonna do a T-part wig, that you don't need to worry about this part. You literally only need to worry about your T part that you have. So I just need to do like one more thing, and then I think I'm gonna be done with this wig. The install was very easy. All you literally have to do is, this black stuff is so messy. Literally install it and do your T part, because you don't have to worry about the frontal part. Just glue it down and part your hair and you're done. Now I would say that the curls, you can get different types of curls depending on the product that you use and what kind of comb you use. Like if you use your finger, like this is just fingers, and if you use a brush, it'll give you a more clumped look. Like, it's cool, and the hair is super soft. At first, I didn't really know what I was doing, like what I wanted to do, but I like how it came out, you guys. I really like it. I think it's giving. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed watching me install this T-part wig, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.